Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys, welcome back to the stream.
Fuck.
It's not a stream.
The
Welcome back to Jellyfish
Back to
Pirates
TF2.
videos.
And
Oh,
today
yeah.
tell you about our new sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends.
Oh, they popped theirs.
Uber!
Oh, I'm dropping frames. I'm dropping frames. Come here.
So
No,
dead.
okay, he's dead. Nice.
Okay, that was the end of it. Oh!
Watch this.
Hello. Oh,
I
how many do I need? Okay. I just need 11 more. 11 more. And we're good. I'll save you, Yalo. I think. I'm burning. I can't see anything. Wait, Yalo, are you dead? Oh, Yalo's dead. There you are.
I can be your medic actually.
Are you having mouse
I'll be your medic.
problems? Yellow, are you okay? I think
I
Yellow's
think you
having.
might get kicked for being a boss soon.
No, I think he's just having mouse problems.
I mean, it looks like he's a bot though.
Oh yeah, no one.
Okay.
Wee.
Who else needs healing?
Hello, good sir. Interesting.
No, we
Hi.
were. I got like. Oh no. Jose! Jose,
There's
behind you!
I arrowed. I'm not.
Behind you! Behind you, behind you. There's
Arrow.
one guy here, Glenn. On the stairs.
Alright,
Where are you?
let's go.
Ready. 3, 2, 1.
Go, go, go.
Hi. Hi. Hello.
Let's go! I also got Uber!
Go, go, go! Push it, push it!
Let's go.
Oh
Medics will die. Demo men will die.
Let's
Run.
go. Wait, I need
no!
heal.
Jose, I'm healing you, you heal me.
Send you down.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna die to this.
I'm healing you, Jose. Okay, you're. That's it.
Okay, well,
Alright, that's 8.
stand still, stand still.
Back up, back up, back up.
Okay.
Alright, we can back up now.
Stand still,
I'll just get ammo.
Wait, like you see, like make sure to like look at everyone. Don't fucking one dude. I mean that's
Let's
obvious.
go, Hale Zone, baby. Let's go. We did it, boys. Hale Zone. Let's go,
Let's
Hale
go, let's
Zone.
go.
Aye.
Okay.
I guess they're
Our
punching.
dude-
Go, 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 go.
Boom.
Uber! Ah!
Where's your fucking Uber
Charge!
now, bitch? Where's your Uber now? Where's your Uber? Tell me.
I got 50 from that because I stabbed her.
I'm gonna die!
Nope, I got you.
Oh my god. Let me get health.
I got you.
Oh,
95% Uber!
Let's go, 15.
What's Glenn, where are you? I'll Uber you. Okay, let's go, Glenn,
Not
let's
yet,
go.
not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. I'll
Okay.
tell you, I'll tell you when, I'll tell you when. I'm just checking corners.
Ouch.
Wait lang, I have Uber. Wait, where are you?
I also have Uber.
We can
Alright,
double
go.
Uber.
Go!
Okay.
Uber someone. Charge!
Charge!
Why'd you Uber the heavy?
It's okay, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Let's just keep going. Alright, fall back, fall back, fall back. Just chill, Yellow. No, have to take that. Yeah, I told you to back up. Now they popped Uber.
70% Uber.
Alright.
Oh my god, this dude is suicidal.
90%.
The pump push
93.
is happening.
Go, go, go. Just pop it when you have it. Pop it when you have it.
Let's go! Oh! We're going! Uber! Uber!
Nice.
Get the guy in the rocket!
Let's go.
Yeah!
Oh, dang it, I wanted to stab him. Why'd you have to kill him?
I almost got a 20 kill streak. I'm mad. I almost got a 20 kill streak. I'm mad. I had 18. I had 18.
I think we're pushing so far that like they can't even.
Yeah.
We got one.
I got Uber now.
I got Uber also.
I tried pinging and saying they were here.
I got auto balance.
Why doesn't anyone want to overheal the heavy?
Cause it takes too long.
I need 60. Ah!
Hi.
Oh, this is Glenn. I know this is Glenn. I knew this was Glenn.
Yeah.
Both of you were together like
Glenn
freaking
got-
ants. Oh, your medic is so low. Thank you.
And your sniper is so dead. Oh, come on, Glenn!
Oh,
Is it?
We're good.
Okay, I'm back. I'm medic again. Happy. I'm medic again.
Oh,
ah,
oh, I'm so sorry, Yalo.
Oh.
We're gonna lose because we have no engineer.
Come on, I almost have quick fix.
Oh,
Big
my-
fucking bomb.
Dang. We almost have it.
Okay, we lost.
Okay. Your engine didn't do its job, didn't he?
We don't have one. He didn't do shit and then he
Oh.
switched class.
Ooh. Yikes.
Push!
Hi, Glenn.
Oh. No.
There you are. I was waiting for myself to die because I was just healing everyone. I was like, huh.
That's the fucking guard, please.
Ah!
Who is this?
Hi, Glenn.
We're just saying, ah, hi. That random crit rocket nearly ended me, and I got pyro.
Oh! Oh no.
Right?
We have 16 seconds.
I know. Yeah, that's not working. You did ringer.
Ah, rip.
Come on! Oh my god, my other spy mate! Oh, we lost.
You almost had it.
Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh.
The sniper got me multiple times when I had Uber. I'm sad.
Let's go. 8k damage. And I leveled up. Let's go.